On Monday, May 11th, 2020, I sent my GoPro 8 Black Hero back to manufacturers because when I put it on voice activation and turned it off, it came back on every time. So we went through the process, sent it back, and today is Wednesday the 19th, and it came back this afternoon. Just have a look what's in the box. I don't expect it to be anything more than just the camera, but we will see. I don't suppose it's too bad. Week turnaround when it went to the Netherlands. Well packaged. Yes, just a camera, as I suspected. I didn't expect any extras or anything like that. Impressive packaging, I'll say that in case it has to go back again. Here we go. Don't know if it's brand new or reconditioned. I can't see a mark on it. Anyway, so probably brand new. I'm very happy with that. But I'm thinking it's going to be the same, because I don't know whether it's a known fault. But we shall slip a battery in it. Try it out and report back. Okay, let's see if this problem still persists now. Right, voice control is on, wake on voice is on, language English UK. Right, before, when I turned it off, after a few seconds it came back on. Just to test the function, GoPro turn on. GoPro turn off. Now that started recording and that stopped. GoPro turn off. GoPro turn off. Well, it seems good at misinterpreting what you say, but when you say something specific, it doesn't seem to do it. Try GoPro take photo. No. GoPro turn off. I think possibly this function's better off left off. It doesn't seem to be very reliable. GoPro, take video. GoPro, turn off. Okay, not good. But I'll leave it at that for now and see what happens when I retry it. Thanks for watching.